Hey guys, it's Alicia at Alicia Handles It, and I'm here again with another video to show you guys how I bleach the knots to this 360 30-inch deep wave unit. I will put the descriptions down below. Now, I showed you guys in a previous video how to mix your mixture, and I actually have my red out today, so I'll be adding a little bit of that. And I have my fork mixing it up. Yes. There we go. That's ready. Add in a little bit more. And now it's perfect. And it's nice and thick and creamy how I like it. Yes. Now we're ready to bleach these knots. And remember, guys, use your glove because look what happened to my hand and it burned. So I had to wash that off and now I'm putting my gloves on. So use gloves, guys. It's not healthy for your hands. So I have my brush. Now I'm ready to color. But first, what I have to do is cut the combs off the side with a razor. So it's for the comfort of the client. I don't feel like we should leave those in there. So be careful, do it really slow, and take that off. And I always say don't use a fresh new needle because you might cut yourself or slice the hair, and we don't want to do that. And what I did to this side, I'm going to do to the other side as soon as I'm done with this side. See how slow I did that? Be careful, guys. Now on to the other side. I leave the back on in case the client wants that for extra hold, but it's up to the customer because why I really don't recommend it anyway is because once you have your, what do you call it? Your stocking cap for the ball cap method, it's going to cover your braids. So you can keep it or not. And I put a little conditioner just to have tame the hair and have it out the way. And now I'm just going to spray it down with a little pump it up spritz. And that is to get the flyaways away from the edges. So I'm just going to do that now. I'm going to spray the edges down with the pump it up. All the way around, guys. Yes. Okay, and that dries pretty quick. So you just use your brush or your comb and you push that back. And I had already sprayed a little bit on there, so it was already, I just added a little more, just for a little bit more. Right. Security, you know. Smooth it out. And it's ready to go. So here we go. And I'm using my brush. Mixing it up. But I think the spoon is best to get it on there. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to grab my spoon. There I go. So you grab your spoon and you just smooth that baby on. And if it's your first time to the channel, I hope you like it. Press the like button. Also, don't forget to press subscribe. Right, guys? I'm here to give you all the hacks and all some little secrets and some new techniques. All right, so we're just putting that baby on. So you guys just listen. Or look, I should say. And I'm going to continue to just smooth it on like I showed you guys in previous videos. Yeah. And so like, I love doing this. All right, so we're smoothing that on, and we're going to keep going all the way around. And when you get to the part of the comb in the back, you don't forget to pick that up and put bleach under there, because you're going to need that to be bleached. You know, you don't want that left out in case you pick up your hair, even though it's really not going to show anyway, but you know, just for completeness sake. So I'm going around carefully, making sure that nothing's touching the hair outside. Be careful. Yeah. Make sure you cover everything inside, guys. So did you guys notice that I'm switching between my brush and my spoon? And as you're doing it, the lace is going to become heavy. So that's why it's good to spray the edges down. So that's what the hairspray does. It, even if bleach or product gets on the edges, it will not turn because it's hard and it's protected. So we're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. And it's been sitting for about 7-8 minutes. And I'm just rubbing it out again, checking it, making sure it's staying with my unit, babying it. All right, now we're about to wash her out. This is the other 7 minutes because I told you guys I usually do about 15 minutes in all, but I check it every 7 minutes. So I'm actually sitting with it right now and just showing you guys as it's turning before your eyes. Here we go. Time to wash it out. And it's always wash it out before you think it's done. It's always wash it out right before you think you want to go a little bit more. Right when you feel like I should do 2-3 more minutes, wash it out. Because you can always go back in and re-bleach it. That's why I always tell the customer to bring it before, because we got to purple shampoo it. We got to condition it. We got to wash it out. Maybe we got to bleach the knots more than one time. We never know, you know? So here we go. I'm washing it with the purple shampoo. Scrub it real good. Give it that Jamaican wash. Yeah. And here goes a little ASMR, guys. Yes. Yes. All right. Doesn't that look luscious? More purple shampoo because we got to make sure we get all of that out of the unit and look at those roots. So right now, what I'm going to do is soak it in the purple shampoo. There we go, guys. I'm happy with it, but I'm going to soak it in purple shampoo. So I hope you guys are liking the video so far. And we're going to soak this in Shimmer Lights. That purple shampoo really helped, guys. It takes the red and the yellow out. And the red out really helps. So make sure you guys grab you guys a little bottle. It's not that much at the beauty supply. And you soak this down with that purple shampoo. Soak it down. And I'm showing you guys the difference. Look at the color difference. Right. So we're going to just rub that all in. And let that baby soak. Yes. And I'm going to leave the description of this unit in the description because my client got it from Amazon and it was really good. I asked her for all the information and I got it, and I will leave it in the description below. So here we go. We're soaking it. Beautiful. I need a tub of shimmer lights because I would use that stuff all day. I love it. It's very useful. And you need it. It's when you're making wigs, you guys, you need shimmer lights. So there we go. And I probably soaked it already for like probably a couple of hours. Up there, I'm washing out. And this is where we're at. And that's good for my client because I'm basing it off of her skin color. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I will leave a video or a shorts of my client wearing the unit, and you guys will see how much it matched and the knots were perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Mwah!